Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by eliminating common wireless delays. Plug the Xbox Series X into a router or switch with a high-quality Ethernet cable. Once done, assign a static IP or reserve DHCP so you can prioritize that address in your router. Then configure router co-S to give the console top priority. This reduces packet queuing under load. Also make sure your TV is set to 120Hz and auto low latency mode, because the display chain affects total input lag. Next, refine the network path by removing unnecessary hops. Place the console on a gigabit switch or directly on the router. Once set, test with UPnP enabled. If you see NAT issues, temporarily disable it and add manual port forwards for Xbox Live ports to avoid renegotiation delays. Make sure to pause all background downloads, streaming, and cloud sync on other devices so your packets aren't delayed. Finally, run a wired speed and jitter test to verify improvements and guide further tweaks. Finish by optimizing the console settings. Turn on game mode and auto low latency mode, and prefer 120Hz output when available. Once done, test variable refresh rate. If VRR causes microstutter in a title, disable it for that game. Adjust HDMI chroma settings if color subsampling causes processing lag. If latency remains high, make sure to test by connecting the Xbox directly to the ISP modem or swap routers temporarily. That single troubleshooting step isolates ISP versus home network causes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.